I am beyond impressed with this home air purifier. So it has a true HEPA filter and it will clean the air of a room or home 1,620 square feet in 1 hour. Now I actually put it to the test today and it worked. Okay, so here's the deal. I came home from work and my entire house smelled like smoke. Not because there was a fire in it, don't freak out, but because there was a wildfire somewhere nearby, probably miles and miles away, but it really fills the air with smoke. And we happen to have every single window in our house open because it's really hot and we don't have AC, so we like wind flow. So when I walked to my house, I was like, it smells awful in here, but I don't want to close the windows. So what I did was I temporarily closed the windows, put this on. You just hit the power button up here at the top. I put the speed to the top speed. There's 3 levels of speed, and I let it do its job. And within, I'd say probably half an hour, the smoke smell was gone. And then upstairs, I went into my office. I'm just gonna hit the speed down for a second. I went into my office and that room smelled a little smoky because I had left a window open. I put this in there for only probably 5-10 minutes and that smoke scent was gone. That's how fast this works. So that is beyond impressive. Well, now let me tell you a little bit about how to set it up, how to get it. So when it arrives to you, this is the back of it. There's like a little ridge here, and then there's little ridges here. You're just gonna pop that off, and then this is gonna be your filter. It says this side up. There's even a little tab. So the first thing you're gonna do is make sure that you put your filter in. It will come in a little bag, so you just wanna make sure you take that bag off. You're gonna change this out every 3 to 6 months. So you just pop that back in there. It's very, very simple. You can clean it. There are some cleaning instructions, but you wanna be really careful with it. Then you're gonna put this back on. Pop it into place. Okay, now you're ready to go. So what you're gonna do is plug it in, which I've done already, and then you're gonna go ahead and hit the power button. Super, super simple. That's gonna let you pick a speed. You can put it into a sleep mode, which makes it really, really quiet, which is great if you wanna have it on while you're sleeping and have it at a low level. So you can put that on. Listen how quiet that is. You can barely hear it, which is so nice. You can also go up higher. This is gonna be your max fan, or that's low, medium, high. And then you can set a timer. So you can do 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, or 12 hours on the timer. You can also set it to auto, which is great. So it will do its job without you having to adjust anything. So right now mine is figuring out where it wants to be. I think it's so cool how smart it is. And then if you have kids, you can set this lock, and now it's on kid lock. So your kids can't come around and like touch all the buttons because you know they're gonna be tempted to do that. So this thing is amazing. I love that it gets the air so pure, whether it's smoke, pollen, pet dander, you name it. This is incredible. And 1 unit can clean the entire air in our house in 1 hour, which is awesome.